Пожалуйста, команда 482 Solutions. Вам нужен этот микрофон или? Все, пожалуйста.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, honorable jury. And my name is Leonid Fyu-Hацкевич. I'm head of IoT department and FOI2 Solutions. We are a blockchain R&D company based in Odessa, as a previous attender. And let's talk about robo economy today, but not about paradigm, but about how can we implement this in our current life, I mean today, tomorrow. And basically, let's talk about cluster crypto economy. So what is cluster? Cluster is some kind of, some companies who cooperate and work together for one main goal. And this is example of clusters in Europe. I will explain it in details if somebody wants after my presentation. So just see the numbers are huge. And it's this example of our neighbor, Poland. And Poland has almost 2.5 million of enterprises, and almost 85% of them are in clusters, in 189 clusters. This is how will be factory in future. So everything is going to be everything is going to robotization. So every factory process and are using robot now, and just see this information from 2004 to 2017, we have almost 300% of growth in robotization. And this is how it will be to 2025. So it shows how robots will be involved in some industry parts. And this is our project. I will show a short demonstration in the end of my presentation. And so these robots, one robot makes some service to another and get cryptocurrency as a payment. So this is an example how we can use robots for pay each other without any third point. And these robots working right now on Ethereum. So as far as I know, Mark Ginsburg sold apartments in Kiev using Ethereum. So we were very excited about this and excited, sorry, and trying to make our project one robot send payment to another is Ethereum as well. So this is how it works. So one robot has some troubles with his or her accumulator level and send a message to the network, so guys, I need help. And the second robot comes, provide charging using a wireless charger, and after that, robot B, who requested for help, send Ethereum to his friend. This is Etherscan. Everybody who knows something about cryptocurrencies and about Ethereum as well now was this project that shows Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum blockchain explorer. This is our solution. What can be implemented in economy right now? So we talk. Is this example about Ethereum? But we think it has to be private chain what work with inside the cluster, and all cluster members with robot processes use internal private chain token and private chain consensus. So what will it give for us? Transparency, confidence, savings, and automatization. So it's our context, and I will show you some little demo about how it works right now. So I will ask my colleague to show as a scan on for everybody can see it's true, it's not somewhere. And so one robot, I need some technical deeds. Some second page. Okay, it's done. So right now you see the charging process. So after robot one will be charged, I will ask, we will have to wait some second, and I will ask my colleague to renew the page. And wow, we have a pending transaction from one robot to another. We have to wait some, maybe some seconds to blockchain. Please renew. You know, just we have a lot of bit time. 25 seconds. And renew.
У нас осталось 3 минуты на вопросы, поэтому если вы хотите
so basically it's finished. So you saw right now what it says impossible. One robot, every robot has a Ethereum account on the board. He is owner of his own Ethereum account, of cryptocurrency account. It can pay for another robot for a service. So we will see transaction in some. Okay, it's done. 34 seconds ago. And right now, thank you for listening to me. And if Marjorie has some questions, I will be very glad to reply.
Аплодисменты команде 482 Solutions. Пожалуйста, вопросы.
Yeah, I think that's a very innovative concept, using robots and cryptocurrencies as a means to exchange value. I guess the question is, do you have proof of concept? Is it being used today in any situation?
Thank you for your question. And basically, we have some demo. But as I told, we are a blockchain R&D company. So we have a lot of experience in private chain buildings and any other. So for now, we are looking for cooperation with some companies to create some pilot projects. So we from our side with blockchain experience, with some kind of robonomic experience, and we're looking for somebody with whom we can cooperate and create something valuable.
Sophia, think about robot factories.
Sorry?
I'm asking Sophia.
Sophia,
Maybe Sophia.
Well, you know,
Sophia,
it's bound to happen.
I guess it will be a brilliant example of cooperation, you know.
Well, you know, it's bound to happen. I mean, I'm going to have to borrow money from another robot one day, right? Terrific idea. Very smart. I would want to know how secure it is and also how that information is transferred and stored. Is it a one-time application? Because I wouldn't want to have the burden of knowing I have another robot's bank account for too long, if you know what I mean. But in general, I hadn't thought of economic interactions of robots in this way, so great job. I am curious what the market size is for this at the present time.
Thank you, Sophia, for your remark. Basically, we talk not about public chains, we think about something private to provide transparency in some cluster business processes, to make blockchain to serve as a business, not oververse.
Okay.
Окей. Еще вопросы будут, да?
Ну, смотрите, наверное, проект интересный, но меня он трогает, как я всегда говорю, я не идеолог криптовалюты, я идеолог блокчейна, но с криптовалютой у меня тоже очень нежные отношения. Я глубоко убежден, что это наш завтрашний день, то есть спустя какое-то время, опять же, я глубоко в этом убежден, исчезнут фиатные деньги, будет криптовалюта, неважно, это будет биткоин или это будет там доллар-коин, не в этом дело, но как бы, да, вот это все будущее. Мне нравится, что роботы не только работают, но собирают оплату за свою работу. Ну, смотрите, вот с первого взгляда, как бы это можно использовать для, ну, не знаю, там, для доставки там грузов, для парковки. А какие вот вы видите конкретные вот случаи его применения? Вот конкретные в самом ближайшем будущем.
Да, я, допустим, представим, мы имеем...
Так у вас 20 секунд на ответ.
Использование приватного блокчейна внутри экономического кластера для взаимодействия между участниками кластера, у которых есть роботизированное производство.
Вы уложились. Спасибо большое. Аплодисменты.